Hello, hello. Ayun, mic test. Bakit mahina yung aking mic? Oh no. Hello. Hello, hello. Oh no. Noise suppression? Is it that? Hello? Oh my god. Hi. Tara. Anong sound? Ano? Free fine. Anyways, hello people. Konnichiwa. Bakit walang sound? Hi, thank you for the like. Walang sound. Yan, nilalaro ko kasi yung account ng kaibigan ko. Wala mong lobby music. Oh, music? Yan talaga. Grabe, pinatay niya lahat. Ang boring naman ng music. Main volume. Stars. Video. Controls. Show me up. Okay. Hello, hello. Oh, lamig. Ay, wait. May sasama daw sa akin eh. Sige, mag-spike rush muna ako. One game. Thank you for the like. Hello. Welcome.
Match found.
Coffee and Valorant is the key.
They have no idea how heartless I am.
Ang lamig. It's so cold right now. Hello. Hello, hello. Welcome po. Tambay kayo. Take your time. Ay, dapat pinalitan ko pala yung settings nito. Wait, is this new? Ganito ba yung itsura talaga nito? Parang compress siya. Or dahil ano, whoop. Yan. Di ba like and watch? Sige. It's so cold, my guys. Ay, never mind. They left. Hello. Chotomate.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Chato. Wait.
I'm listening to Chelsea Cutler's and Jeremy Zucker's new song. Like it was released like earlier in this morning.
Oh. Wait.
I mean the song is titled Black and White.
Wait lang. Where's the crosshair? Celine small crosshair. Celine ba?
Let me how tonight.
Wala pala yung glasses ko na sa baba.
I mean, if you saw my edit dun sa TikTok ko,
Mhm.
that's like a sneak peek of the song.
Yung sinend mo sa akin.
Oo.
Oh. Oh my god. It's so freaking cold/hot. You know that?
Ano?
Malamig na mainit.
Tara na? Hindi pa.
Tara.
So, we met earlier in person.
Di wow. Di wow!
Mm.
Ano all? Sige.
No, I'm taking it slow kasi she has the same background as my first ex. Psych major, third year na
Match
nakakilala ko.
I mean, not all psych major.
No, I mean that's why I'm a bit more careful. Then when I was like going home, when nagpaalis na ako.
Abyss! Ang
Do you want me
gagawin
to
ko dito?
touch it?
No, it's fine. No! Gusto ko mag-vice!
Do you want me to dodge it?
No, it's fine. Let's just wing it.
Yeah, sure.
Ako naman ni Celine. Char. Ay, Celine. Sorry na. Sabi mo laruin ko eh. Okay, I'll be dual.
So pull me closer when the night is over.
Pero parang narinig ko na yan before. Before mo pa sinend sa akin yan.
Kasi pinopost na nila yung sneak peek. Pero the song is released now.
Or parang may katunog siguro siya.
Yeah, kasi, I mean, almost all of their songs are quite similar. Like,
Wait, are they dating in real life?
no, they're friends.
Oh, well.
I wish they are.
You never know. They might. They might be dating and just like saying they're
Low-key.
friends. Yeah.
I mean, that's cool and all. I mean, I won't encroach into their personal lives. I mean, I love listening to their collabs and shit.
Another
Because
site on the brink of destruction. At
Jeremy
least they're
Zucker's
consistent.
vibe
Go,
is
go.
like chill, but at the same time, there's like sad vibe to it. Meanwhile, Chelsea Cutler is like, pain, pain, pain.
I'm getting used to Celine's
Blinding
Crosshair?
the
I'm out of
sense.
here.
Anong sense niya?
0.3.
Malapit sa akin. Anong DPI niya? 800?
I'm not sure kasi magkaiba kami ng mouse, diba?
Rip and tear.
Ano yung nasa 600 dpi?
Now we wait.
1.6 sa akin eh.
Like the new mouse that I got is programmable, so
Oo, same.
I
For sure,
forgot
rinig mo yung keyboard ko.
Yeah. Get a mic. Buy a mic next.
Yeah, I should definitely buy a mic.
Cutting their vision.
Pero for later yan.
Spike spotted B.
Kasi may balak
Cutting
pa
their
ako.
vision.
Out of here.
One enemy remaining.
Right here.
Kaya
Oh
pahinaan
my
ko yung
god, the
mic.
blinding.
Okay.
Yan.
Time for a protein shake.
Reloading.
An injured dog bites hard. Careful.
Roar.
Pero ang creamy nung
No?
keycaps.
Yan ang next na bibilin ko keyboard. Like, I'll start
Kasi
upgrading my setup. Probably upgrade my like
No
main
prisoners.
SSD as well. So I think kailangan ko i-reformat all.
I mean, you can just
Smoke's
add
down.
it, you know?
No, I
Like,
want
make it
the
as a-
main like software,
Crossing
like
gear.
the Windows thing on my like the main.
beacon here. Smoke's down.
Stealing
Go,
sight.
go!
Stealing sight.
Reloading.
May sheriff yan, di ba?
There we go!
Reloading. Reloading. Launching smoke. Reloading.
Yan. One mid.
Careful here.
One enemy remaining.
Careful here.
Spike down mid. Team Ace.
Nice.
Siguro ang pinaka-gusto kong
Let them
vibe,
rot.
ang pinaka-gusto kong kanta nilang together
Will they
is,
try the same old
Gotta
tricks?
go!
ano ba? Yung, ano ba yung ano? Yung,
Go, go, go!
this is how you fall in love.
I'm out of here!
Wait. Parang familiar.
Fall in love,
Ay, ay, ay.
let go and I hold you up.
Launching bullet.
I'm so proud of myself kanina. Before, supposed to be until 9 ako, no? Before 7, tapos na ako sa mga gagawin ko.
Nice.
Cutting their vision.
Is it A?
Huh?
It's A. It is A.
The thing
down.
is, which is parang ang daya kasi walang pull out kanina. So, parang trabaho ko lahat.
Then,
I was so tired. Tapos pagdating ng 8 to 4 na shift, ang dami nilang pull out, tatlo. Eh, unti lang naman ang gamot sa umaga.
Smoke's down.
There we go!
ang aggressive ko din.
Kaya
Down you
awang
go.
away yung, hindi naman sa awang pero na arjun ko na ano, parang naaawa na siya sa akin kasi kanina pa ako lakad. Alam mo, hindi ako nakatulog talaga kasi wala akong kasama. Pati kumuha ng gamot, umakyat, ganun. Ako gumawa. Yun ang mahirap pag bedside ka. Kapag senior nurse ka na, usually ang problema
Right
mo
here.
is
Right here.
mga charts.
30 seconds left.
Which is parang mas
Spike
madali.
planted.
Mas madali kasi you don't have to meet people all the time.
Well, I mean, you have to meet the patient, but
I mean, but at the same time, not as much as
more
the
on
bedside
like
one.
document stuff siya.
Yeah, parang
Or
more on
device.
papers rather than actual
One
communication.
enemy remaining.
Oh, ano ba yan, Vice? You saw it.
Last player
Nakita na ni
standing.
Vice eh.
Blinding threat!
Ah,
Flashing!
Okay.
hindi niya yun
Okay.
madidifuse. Hindi niya yun madidifuse.
Ba't kaya itong account ni Celine ang laki ng packet loss niya?
I don't know.
Their jet is playing
I'm
hard
out
to
Pero
get.
yung packet loss
Alright,
total
okay.
5,560 plus. I mean,
Grabe.
hindi naman ganito yung account ko masyado.
Sa akin, ang problema ko naman when it comes to like Valorant
Gotta go!
is yung FPS ko bumababa siya ng 90. Kapag after ko maglaro ng Until
You're
Dawn.
mine.
After ko mag-record.
There we go!
After namin mag-record, maglalaro ako ng Valo for...
Kalimutan ko yung crouch key nito. Iba pala.
I'm out of here!
Hindi alt?
Dim beacon down.
Ay, hindi control?
Hindi, kasi control. Pero ako kasi nasa thumb button ko, di ba?
Oo.
Fuck. Ano, napatay?
80 lang yun? 80 lang yung jet?
Last player standing.
Oh, yung ganda ng crosshair niya.
Eh, di ganito. Ah,
Slash CC. Char.
Spike
flash
planted.
ang puta.
Pero hindi ko gamay. Yung sa akin kasi, medyo off-center siya ng konti.
Ang crosshair ko naman, yung sa tropa ko, klase ko dati, si Ban. Kanya yung crosser eh.
Irrelevant.
Nakaka-LSS yung
As
kanta
much
eh.
as this world hurt me,
Pero ako ng
it's
Marshall.
mine. And I need a drop.
I'm Mr. Loverman.
Palitan ko yung...
I miss my Loverman. Natatawa ako dun yung Mr. Loverman. I wish that she talks to me. Siguro.
Ay, yung ano, yung meme.
Oo.
Reset.
Mr. Loverman yung kanta.
Get out of my way!
I'm still holding on. Kalimutan ko yung title ng kantang yun.
Still holding. Ay, bobo! Heal dapat yun, tanga.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading.
Sige, mas gamay ko na
Time for a
yung...
protein shake.
My city needs me.
0.4600 dpi dapat ako.
Cindy.
Ay, 1.6 pala, 1.6. Pinalitan ko.
Magka-close. Ay, 1.6 yung DPI ko eh.
0.4 tapos 1.6 dpi. Hindi,
Paano?
I think I like Celine's crosshair actually. Medyo accurate siya talaga compared sa crosshair ko. Pero kasi
Yung
I'm
crosshair
so
ko
blind to see this shit.
Nakita mo na ba yung crosshair ko?
Ay, hindi pa.
You want to play? Let's play.
Yung 1312. Yung isa is yung 1312. Pero pag nasa screen mo, hindi mo siya halos makita.
Simbulag ako.
Enemy remaining.
Flashing! Uy!
120! 120 na yung bawas ko sa kanya! Bring me the arsenal! I love her voice
Bring
lines.
me the arsenal!
Ang intense ng voice lines ni Vice. I really like it.
Dito.
Bring me the arsenal! Galit.
So nagtataka ka, Netbeat, bakit di kayo nagre-recording ngayon? Kasi we are on a break. Kasi may mga exam sila. And ako din. Next week.
Spike planted.
Walang yan?
Yeah, I gave them time. Kasi, grabe din kasi yung mga susunod na scenes.
Mga
Oh,
cry scenes.
Kawawa yung main characters.
The Nicole.
Yeah. Actually, meron kaming
One enemy
nasa
remaining.
isa
Last player
sa-
standing.
Nag-iisa lang siyang hindi Pilipino.
Yung Nicole, diba? Yung
Oo, yung
matangkad,
Nicole.
sabi mo.
Cage triggered.
Nicole din talaga pangalan niya. So nakalagay dun sa sa character niya. Sa character name niya, D. Nicole as
Mas
Nicole.
marami ng skin si Celine kaysa sa akin.
We!
Yeah. Chinek ko yung account niya kanina.
Tang ina mo, Celine!
Marami niya ng
Ganyan
skin.
pa bang may trabaho?
Yes, of course. Luho is life.
Yes, I agree.
Actually, parang pares lang kami ng sahod eh. Mas malaki nga lang bawas ng PhilHealth sa amin.
Tawag dito, kung gusto mong bumili ng ng skins in the near future,
No!
You want to fight?
ano ka na ngayon?
Right here.
Ipon?
Mag-ipon ka na ngayon before
Yeah,
mag-September 18.
I saw. Magmamahal nga.
Kasi 40% yung increase.
Flash blood. My blind is dead.
Tapos sa India, bababa. Mag-VPN na lang ako. Pinagbabawal na TikTok.
Spike planted. Last player
Oh,
standing.
hello, how are you? I'm under the water, please help me. Mas malaki ang kita ngayon siguro ng mga ng mga nagbebenta ng
Control
follow
space.
points.
Go, go,
Control
go.
your choices.
Oo. Ay, hindi naman sa mas malaki. It's more like mas
Parang medyo lugi
mas
sila.
attractive bumili. Hindi, mas attractive bumili sa kanila.
Mm.
Mm.
Ng pambili. Sige. Ay, yung botbrag ko na kainin.
Aray ko.
Quick,
Hindi, tignan mo lang, Silvi.
Ba't frag ako?
Hindi, tignan mo, babawi mo lang din yan mamaya eh. Ikaw yung ano yung main character era mo.
Grabe!
Oo, tignan mo mamaya, ikaw na yung top frag. Kung na yan. Nakailang episode na tayo dyan eh.
Nagpapagbog sa umaga. Ay, nagpapagbog sa una. Uy!
Siya yung ano, main character vibes. Kaya mo na yan. Ganun na.
The hunt begins. Eagle
Uy,
eye.
gang. Uy!
go! Enemy B.
I haven't played in a while.
Feeling sight.
Kaka-recording eh. Ay, gagi na sa
Ay,
kanan.
meron sa loob pala.
Player standing.
Yeah. Hindi ako nakapag-laro for a while.
Ako nga din. Ay, hindi naglaro pala
Like-
ako. Pero, like, very
I can't see
short
them yet,
games.
but I can feel them getting ready.
Like, hindi na ako tulad before na everyday nagbabalo.
Ito na lang ang ano ko. Safe haven ko.
Tapos, okay, paglaro ka sa akin.
Alam mo ba?
Basak. Ano?
Parang soft girl era kasi tayo sa trabaho, di ba? Dito na lang
Oo.
tayo maging kargador girl.
Oo.
Ah,
Tawag dito, gusto mo maging kargador, ano, na boses.
alam mo ba
I-voice
yun?
up mo yung, ano, yung province
Nakakatawa,
in
no?
Bicol.
Tamad-tamad ko sa bahay. Tamad-tamad ko sa bahay.
Launching smoke.
Double pa. Ang tamad-tamad ko sa bahay, tapos kinuha kong course pang, ano, pang alipin. Char. Diba? What was I
Yun nga eh.
thinking?
I was like, eh?
Sabi
I mean,
nila,
for the
yayaman daw ako dun, di naman.
Planted.
Stim beacon here.
I mean, for the record, nasabi nila sa akin, uy, Net, ano, magka-outing ka. Gismil kada pirma. Ano, Gismil kada
Last
pirma?
player standing.
Oo, kung di mo alam pinipirmahan mo, BIR naman makakarap mo.
Yun ba?
Yeah, legit. Kaliwa.
Enemy down. My ult's ready.
Nuclear bomb! Oh my god. Double up. Mhm.
I'm gonna save. Oh my god.
Ah. Ay. Uy, hindi.
I find
Oh my god! Munti ka na!
Simple as that.
Anong OP niyan?
Battle pass lang yata.
Need a drop.
Ah, battle pass. Ito na lang. Ah, magbabandal na lang muna ako. Hindi. Nasabi din sa akin, ano eh. Actually, naglaro kami ng league. And then, basically, ako yung main character ulit. Kaya yung support ko. And we were like destroying the lane.
Cutting their vision. Cutting their
Sorry,
vision.
my timing.
Ah! Mali. 78 lang. Na-headshot ko siya, kaso tigas na ang ulo ni Jet eh.
Stim beacon here.
Nag-dito.
Open up the sky.
Actually, sabi niya, pagpasensya mo na magulo yung
down.
book ko. Sabi ko, do you think that I care? I mean,
Last
do you,
player standing.
do you think that I care na magulo yung book mo?
Spike
Do you
planted.
think tinitignan ko?
Ako kasi, ako yung passive-aggressive na ano. Ayaw ko na maging single pero ayaw ko din mag-date.
I mean, ano, it's not an ill-stalled
3
yung
out of 5. Cage
do you think
where
I
is
care?
Maybe.
everyone hiding?
Kasi parang ano, ayoko ba mag-date kasi ang tingin ko talaga sa relationship as of
Cage
now
triggered.
is para siyang chore.
Oo.
Para siyang responsibility na kailangan, you know.
Nandiyan ka parate.
Oo.
Drink some water, reload your mags, and let's get back out there.
Sa akin naman, I mean, what I think of a relationship would be is, I mean, being there at your own pace. Like, being there when you can. As
Kasi
much
like,
as possible.
honestly, wala pa akong na... There is one. Pero I don't think he's like a contender.
Embarrassing.
No.
What do you mean a
Like-
contender?
Feeling ko wala talaga makakatiis sa akin. Like, I'm really annoying.
I mean,
Tontay.
how do you think would I be? Sa tingin mo, annoying ka, paano ka?
I'm out of here.
Like, I'm so annoying. Like, I'm even annoyed of myself, you know?
I'm out of here.
Nicole, go, Nicole!
Oh my god! Wait lang, reload ako.
Thou shall not whiff. Wala na.
Thou shall not whiff.
Go, go, go.
One enemy remaining.
Mabilisan, no?
Oh! Go, you got this.
I'm out of here. Go, go, go.
Player standing.
Vandal.
30
Ay, whiff!
seconds left.
Nag-vandal!
Palit siya.
Run, 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 run. I know the way you hide. Gagi.
Spike planted.
You know the thing that siguro me in general when it comes to like relationships,
Ano?
like
Last round
I
in the
may
half.
sometimes be
No point
unavailable,
saving. Buy it all.
but I'll try to the best I can to be available at the most part.
Available.
Like really.
Mhm.
At saka for sure maraming magsasawa sa akin just because of my sleep schedule.
Same.
Like imagine
You want to play? Let's play.
Like, maybe I'm the best for night shifts, but
Enemy mid.
because
Get out of
my
my way.
Ito, hindi lang night shift ang iisipin mo sa akin. Morning pa.
Nice.
Bad move.
Nice. I'm the bait.
Gotta go.
BB.
Parang meron pa sa mid.
Meron pa siguro.
Ingat.
Dalawa?
I don't.
I didn't know.
Hindi ako sanay sa, sa,
That's so fucking small! I can't even see it!
see? No, I mean, it's nice. But, the thing is, yung crouch ni Celine, alam mo yung voice nito nasa U?
You are divided.
30 seconds left.
Binate nila.
Spike down A.
Oh, likod!
Last player standing. 10 seconds left. One enemy remaining.
Planting, bro.
Spike planted.
Bago di niya kailangan gawin mo.
Cage triggered.
Grab 1. Kaliwa.
It's so cold.
Switching
Yeah, yeah.
sides.
Ayoko lang.
Where will they go?
I don't know. Ang hirap maging panganay, tapos
I'm out of here.
independent woman ka pa. You know, it's so hard to depend. Oh shit,
I'm out of here.
I
no.
mean, siguro me in general would like let you be you. But at the same time,
But
I mean,
it's so
I
taxing. Like, imagine na kung ako yung lalaki. Like, sure, I'll let you be who you are. But then in the future, it's like you will feel like, am I not like worthy to be depended on? That's what I'll think. That's what I think, at least.
siguro sa akin kasi more like more like, I mean, we're both human beings. I mean, sure, you probably had some
My planet.
So like,
things going
Placing
on.
wall trap.
so I might not.
For sure, marami ka rin sigurong iniisip na ibang bagay. For example. Ayun lang naman.
Oh! 78 lang.
I just let you be you in general.
Oh, okay. That's still hard though.
Yeah, it's hard. Kasi
And-
isipin mo, hindi ba ako worthy? Hindi ba ako ka-dependent?
Like, iniisip ko pa lang sa like standpoint ng person.
Gotta go.
Pinagkakatiwalaan ng taong. Parang ganun yung iniisip mo as a lalaki. Pero,
Wala pang nakakapagtiklop kasi sa akin na kahit yung person na yung i-depend ko talaga. Like I'm dependent on that person. You know, wala pa.
wala pa.
Yeah, wala pa.
Buti hindi ka nagsasalita ng tapos.
Ayoko. Scam yung mga ganyan eh. Pero, okay lang. Carry lang naman kung meron. Kung wala, di don't.
Ah!
Launching smoke. Stick beacon down.
Flash placed.
Blinding.
Good hit.
Still in sight.
Spike down A.
Nagpaalam ako in advance sa lahat ng task na yun.
Oh my God! Ah!
On top.
I have retrieved the spike.
One enemy remaining.
The hell?
Go! Rush him!
Cage triggered.
Oh my God!
Why left click? Can right.
We know more than we do.
Gagawin ko dun, magja-jump ako. I'm just enjoying.
Yay! Di ako bot.
Aray!
Masaya na! Hindi yung mas bot vlog yung Astro.
Bro, I have like 13 deaths. What do you
Okay
mean?
lang yan. Duelist are meant to die, okay?
Meant to die, no?
They're meant to die to get info daw.
Cutting their
Smoke's down.
What the fuck? This is why I don't play Duelist that much. Kasi umiiraw yung pagiging suicidal ko.
Got the spike.
Ano? Inadaan ba dyan?
Trigger warning, of course.
Inadaan ba dyan? Sige, ayaw niya doon. Sige na. Saan ba talaga pupunta? The good thing is, Reyna, wala nang countdown yung kanyang,
Where is everyone hiding?
Okay, let's go.
Nagsabi na ako sa mga sa buong pass, if ever man na mawala ko, isab na ako nung isa. Pinangalanan ko na yung successor ko kung sakali man.
Successor.
Di kasi magaling siya eh. Magaling dahil magaling talaga. Oh, magaling dahil nagsisip.
How much? 135 Astra?
No armor.
Who trained you?
Ah?
Ara. Moving on!
One enemy.
Got him.
Just...
Meron nga kaming during the breaks. Kapag halimbawa we're gonna take like a 5-minute
Stay in
break
range of my stim beacon.
or
We'll mow
10-minute
them
break
down.
dahil the scenes were too much for us to like hold. Parang yung scenes kasi it's like too much. So we have to take a breather.
Inhale. Inhale lang ako ng exhale.
Inhale and exhale basically. Get some water and so. We were like, okay, let's do the Araraco roll call. And everyone complied. Damn, may jet doon?
Someone's
May
coming.
klase ako ng 8 to 11, tapos 11 to 12 yung,
AM?
yung lunch. Pero yung 8 to 11 ko online! Buti na lang. Buti may awa ka sa amin, teacher. Buti may awa ka sa amin, sir. Kasi yung klase ko bukas, alam mo kung gaano kalala.
Just gonna, you know what?
Cutting their vision.
It's 8 to 9.
Still in sight.
Hindi isang oras. 13 fucking hours.
Plant the spike.
Oh my god! Go Bucky!
Else ready.
No.
Open up the sky!
Open up the sky.
Molly!
Run,
Gonna-
30 seconds left.
run. I know the way you hide.
Why destroyed?
Spike planet.
Last player standing.
Na-LSS ako dun sa kantang yun. Dun sa kantang yun.
Tapos, iba na yung
Yun.
perspective talaga pag, working.
Mm-mm.
Like, in
Ay,
terms
sabihin
sa anong aspect ng life, like, for example, financial, iba din. Personal, iba din. Friendships, iba na din.
Once I reveal them, make sure you take it.
Ngayon sa akin, okay, I mean, I know naman na, like, kapag working na yung ibang tao, we tend
It's
to
so
talk less, which is
hard.
fine. Like,
Yeah, I understand kasi busy nga naman. Tsaka, hindi naman tayo yung namimili ng day off or something.
oo.
It's nothing like...
Kaya kapag halimbawa hindi ako
set it up.
nire-replyan, hindi mo ako re-replyan, okay lang.
Okay
I
lang
just
yan.
like sharing shit, ganun. Ganun lang naman
Actually,
ako.
binubuksan ko lang, pero hindi ko napapanood.
Launching
Oh,
smoke.
you're in. Let's go. No, the vandal!
Caution here. Spike planet. Stim beacon here.
There. Cutting their vision.
Oh my god, the packet loss is not good.
Enemy spotted B.
My FPS is not FPSing. My Windows update, god damn.
Last player standing.
One dead. My camera is destroyed.
Another jet.
Gagi yung jet.
Clutch.
Nalo. Nice.
Hanep, Cypher. I'm out of here.
Hanep. Oh, that's new. Was that a new line?
Yes.
Hanep, Cypher.
Okay, I see you, Vanille. I see you, Vanille. You're cooking. Vanille is cooking. The voice... The,
Bobo.
the car-
Gusto ko yan. Bobo.
Bobo!
Gotta go.
Psst, Bobo. Sorry.
Go, go, go.
Launching smoke.
O nga pala, isa na lang pala yung ano niya, kungkas.
Sino? Neon?
Jet. Neon.
Stim beacon down.
Oh, that's a new. Ay, gago.
Plant spike.
I'm out of here.
Wall set.
130 Reyna. Ano yan?
Right here.
You
Hindi
want
siya
to
nag-heal.
play? Let's play.
Hindi nag-heal yung Reyna.
My ult's ready.
So weird.
On the loose.
Oh no!
Last player
I
standing.
saw nothing. Another clippable moment.
Defenders win.
Jeez. Jeez.
Uy,
Sheesh.
what's up?
Nasa store ni Celine. Ay, pangit yung store
Oh,
niya
good.
ngayon.
Isa pa? Pa. Wala ka
Upper.
namang gagawin bukas, no?
Aperture. Wala. I was gonna drive. But, tinatamad ako, so. I like the knife. Sleek. Anong next bundle after ng Nocturno?
Match found.
Wala pa?
Wala pa. Wala pa.
Nang araw pa ba yun?
Mahaba yun, guys. Guys. Naxos.
Try ko nga mag-cypher. Para naman maiba yung aking sentinel. Ang baba ng chair ko.
Cypher.
Yun.
Ayoko mag-duelist eh. Gadget na lang.
Clove.